Hello students, here's a question from iitjee 2010 which asks for the value of this given expression given sk as the sum of infinite geometric series whose first term is k minus 1 by k factorial and common ratio is 1 by k. So we'll start by first of all finding s of k for the given series. So s of k comes out as k minus 1 by k factorial whole upon 1 minus 1 by k. First term upon 1 minus common ratio as we know. So this comes out as k minus 1 by k factorial into k by k minus 1. So k minus 1 now gets cancelled out and you are left with k by k factorial, which can further be simplified as k into k minus 1 factorial so that k gets cancelled out. You get 1 by k minus 1 factorial as the sum. Now we have to look at this expression given to us. We can see there is a modulus put here. Modulus sign is there over k square minus 3k plus 1. So we should be very clear as to where it will be negative or positive and even 0. At k equal to 1, s of k comes out as 0, and at k equal to 2, we find that k square minus 3k plus 1 is negative. But for k greater than or equal to 3, we find that it is a positive expression. So now we can go for the calculation of the series. So when you simplify the given expression, we find that k square minus 3k plus 1 into sk comes out as k square minus 3k plus 2 and then minus 1, and then separated into two terms it becomes k minus 1 into k minus 2 by k minus 1 factorial minus 1 by k minus 1 factorial. Again we can factorize it, the denominator as k minus 1 k minus 2 into k minus 3 factorial, so that the first two factors get cancelled out and you get just 1 by k minus 3 factorial minus 1 by k minus 1 factorial. So this is the expression we have to now use to simplify the given series. So now we have to evaluate sigma k goes from 1 to 100 modulus of 1 by k minus 3 factorial minus 1 by k minus 1 factorial. So we put in the values at k equal to 1, the term gets you 0 and the other terms are as shown here. Now we can see that the term just after 0 is a negative term, so modulus of that will make it positive. That will come out as plus 1, and all the other terms can be taken out of the modulus sign because they are already positive. So when you do that, when you take out the terms out from the modulus sign, you find there are many terms which are going to get cancelled out, as you can see 1 by 2 factorial is going to cancel like this, 1 by 3 factorial also, and so on. So every term is getting cancelled in the next to next bracket. So as a result of this, last two terms are left out in the end brackets and the first two terms are left out in the first two brackets. So as a result of this calculation, you get 3 minus 1 by 98 factorial minus 1 by 99 factorial. You can write it as 3 minus 99 by 99 factorial minus 1 by 99 factorial, since we have multiplied and divided by 99, and then you get it as 3 minus 100 by 99 factorial. Now if you multiply it by 100 in the numerator and denominator, you will get 3 minus 100 square by 100 factorial. But the given expression was 100 square plus 100 factorial plus this summation. So on putting this value in the given expression, you get 100 square by 100 factorial cancelled out and the final answer comes out as 3. Subscribe to the channel for more such useful videos. Thanks for watching.